Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. I have gotten this question a bunch of times lately. How often should I feed my orange tree? I have clients that have an orange tree that looks like this. Not much fruit. The leaves are yellow, also known as chlorotic. This is a classic example of a tree that is in desperate need of food and water as well. So lots of different foods out there for trees. I always say look for something that specifically says citrus and fruit tree food, like this one from G&B, but there's lots of different ones. The important thing is you need to feed them every 3 months. It's really, really important. Now, how often should you feed them? Every 3 months. How much should you feed them? You want to do 1 cup for every inch of trunk diameter. So if you have a big tree like this, that's going to have a diameter that's about 6 inches. So that means 6 cups. And here's again is a cup of the plant food for the trees every 3 months. Now you sprinkle it around the drip line of the tree. That's where the roots are that are going to be able to absorb the food the most. And you sprinkle it around and then really water it in. You got to mix that food with the dirt to get it to really soak in. So definitely water it. Also, by the way, I may point out it's best to water the tree before you feed it as well. A lot of times these trees that are struggling, they're just really struggling because they don't have food and water. So as far as how often should you feed your trees? Every 3 months minimum, once they're back to being a healthy tree. If they really have been struggling, then I would feed them every month just to get it back up to a healthy status. But for a healthy tree, every 3 months. For a sick tree, every month with some low fertilizer like this 862 stuff. So anyway, that's all the time we have for today. Oh, by the way, one more thing. In case you were wondering, the difference between a dwarf citrus tree and a semi-dwarf citrus tree, here you go. Here's that example. This is a true dwarf tree and a semi-dwarf. You can see the true dwarf is about 3 to 4 feet tall. The semi-dwarf is closer to 10 feet by 10 feet. So anyway, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, is saying if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug saying thanks for watching.